Hello and welcome back to doing dumb shit to my hair that should have been left to the professionals. Because I have not caused enough damage yet with this hair transformation, if you can call it that, I have decided I am also going to cut my own hair today because we're in this deep already. Ellie, can you please... Okay, I will put you up on the bed. I can put you up on the bed, but then that is it. Okay, good girl. Couple things. Number one, it has occurred to me that the reason why the bottom of my hair is still the most orangey, yellowy of all of my hair is probably because that part of my hair has undergone more layers of copper hair dye on it, which probably means I don't know, there's more like color particles or whatever in my hair and it's probably gonna be harder to bleach it out. So rather than continue to waste bleach and hair dye, let's just cut at least a little bit out of it because my hair is gonna need a haircut anyway, because number two, these ends, despite how wonderfully, like translucently white and silvery these ends of these money pieces are, they are also fried, dead, not happening. Like very, very frizzy, very, very like breaking and friable. Just, see, I literally just touched it and like a piece of it broke off. Luckily, it's not a lot of it, but you know, bottom of these money pieces has gone through too much. It's just not worth holding on to. There's like no integrity left to this hair. So it needs to go. And anyways, I did want to trim my hair for my birthday, which I have not yet done. So we're gonna be looking at cutting off about this much, I think, somewhere thereabouts. The last time I cut my hair, I also cut it myself. That was in like October, so it's been like 6 months now. Kept saying it was like a little lopsided and I was gonna go to the hairdresser to fix it, but I never did. And you know, it was not that noticeable. It didn't really bother me that much, so I just let it be. But anyway, I will probably bleach my hair again soon, like this week. But before I do that, I'm just gonna give it a little trim. The last time I cut my hair, I did a big chop because it was like long and I cut it to a bob from long. So I don't know, maybe this time it's easier, maybe not, who knows? All I know is it's hard to get the back right because I can't see the back of my head. I'm so sad to be letting this go because again, this has the nicest color, but you can see, like, the rest of my hair is still quite smooth, but these money pieces, these beautiful silvery white money pieces, they're thinning, they're breaking off, they're not in good condition, so they need to go. This is our before. I just realized I don't currently have a screen protector on my phone because I smashed my screen protector the other day, so my current plan of using my phone as a mirror for the back of my head is a really bad idea because it's gonna be prone to falling as I try to do that, and if it falls right now it will definitely crack the screen. So I'm gonna put my phone away and get a different substitute mirror. I'm at my boyfriend's place and he does not have a lot of mirrors around here, which is problematic for me, but I have this. So I mean, I think the thing is I need like more distance. I need a lot more distance. I need this like here. Whatever. Who needs to see the back of their head when they're cutting their hair? It's like, it's whatever. Okay, so this section actually looks pretty decent. We're gonna cut up this much, maybe? I don't know. We have dog hair cutting scissors. You know, dog hair, human hair, same thing, same difference, whatever. I really just want to be able to see the back of my head. Is that so much to ask for, to see the back of my head? Could I come up with some kind of device to hold this mirror here? Nope. Continuing on. I don't know, man. We don't know what's going on in the back. I think I'll ask someone to help me, but the front I can do by myself. I'm gonna take these slightly curved scissors because I feel like they help. Here goes nothing. I have to try to cut like slightly upwards because otherwise I feel like it looks choppy. Like your front layers have to be shorter than your inside. What? No, what am I saying? The hair that's in the back should be shorter than the hair that's in the front. Something like that is what I mean. Look how orange that hair is that's coming off right now. My hair does this very annoying thing where it like curves slightly, and that makes it a little harder to like appreciate what exactly I'm doing. This is where it gets tricky, because to have the curve of these scissors going the same way, I have to cut the opposite direction basically. I think I have a mohawk situation happening, because I think I haven't cut the back. Probably mostly because I can't see it. This side is shorter than this side, so I need to... there. I want to ask for help, but also I think nobody else wants to be blamed for the consequences of what I'm doing right now, which is totally fair. Like, if I ruined my hair, I ruined my hair, but if they helped, then they ruined my hair also, and when I'm having a mental breakdown, I'll blame them. So I understand the hesitation to be involved in this project. Okay, something needs to happen at the back here, because this is embarrassing. Oh. This might have been a very bad idea. I don't know what I just did at the back, but I think I might have fucked it up. Please don't be fucked up. Nah, no, it's not. It's not. I mean, it's choppy, but like, there's still enough. I didn't cut like anything so short that I can't fix it, you know? Okay. Yeah, so basically these can be a little shorter. I'm gonna take off my necklace because it's in my way. I have like a lot of hair. I don't notice it until I'm doing shit like this, but like actually my hair is like really thick. I'm starting to get very itchy from all the hair that's like all over me. Ugh. I feel like the front is taking on a semblance of shape. I think with like home haircuts, the expectation is basically it should be like where if you go out in public and somebody doesn't look at you too long, they won't figure out something's wrong. And that's like the extent of what you should be optimistic enough to hope for, is just like looks right, is not gonna cause people's heads to turn, you know? People are not gonna like look at you twice, and that's what you can hope for with home haircuts. Not that it'll be like an amazing haircut, but that it won't be such a bad haircut that people are like, what the fuck? And wanting more than that is just like foolish wishful thinking. Hold up. This is in my way a bit. Quick break.
So fucking hot.
Is it?
Yes.
I need help though.
Like very cute.
Yeah? Will you help me though?
With what? Getting it to like this length?
No, but like look at the back.
That's so fucked up.
Yeah, I know. So I need help because I can't see the back of my head, and you don't have any like big mirrors that I can put so I can see. And anyways, I don't think I could reach it like properly. To get the right angle on the scissors. Can you please give me a Ziploc bag for my hair? But you like the length. I like it too. It's super cute. It's like boyish, but cute. Look how much hair we cut already. Doesn't look it. I felt like it was already like pretty short, but crazy that I could cut off that much hair and it's not like a pixie cut. Gonna take a short break, a brief intermission, if you like, and continue on in a little bit. We've got our desired length, but now we have to like even it out because the back looks insane. Jesus. Okay. So what do you think?
I mean, the back definitely needs work.
See, yeah, and I cannot even see it. So like, how am I gonna give it the work it needs if I cannot even see it?
I mean, you could have also just not started it.
But where's the fun in that?
In having good looking hair.
So you're telling me that my hair is not gonna look good? That seems like a very defeatist attitude. I cut my own hair. Remember when we went apple picking?
Yes.
I cut my own hair then too.
I know.
And did it look terrible?
No.
Did it look a little bit off?
I don't know, maybe. I don't know.
Definitely. Do you think this would actually go better if my hair was wet?
I don't know. Hairdressers say it helps. Didn't that hairdresser on the video you were watching say that hairdressers do cut their hair, or do cut hair when it's dry, but like it's for the professionals and it's better to wet it?
I just sprayed the kitchen cabinets in the process of trying to spray water on my own head.
Maybe I should do it. So
yeah, it turns out it is extremely difficult to do things to the back of one's own head.
Wait.
Who'd have thought?
So that you don't have like water.
Please don't spray it inside my ears. I don't think this is going to help. Do you have your hairbrush? Because mine is in the bathroom with Peter.
Mine is not exactly clean.
Okay, I don't think we can cut it now. I'm dripping. It's dripping. I'm about to brush my hair with a fork like the Little Mermaid. You know, I don't think the wetting my hair is gonna help.
I don't know. This is what hairdressers say.
Can I use your hairbrush? I don't care if it's dirty.
Okay.
How bad is it? What on God's green earth?
Told you.
Whatever.
You're still dripping.
Yeah, I know. Can you see better now, the parts that are sheaf?
I think so. I mean, I can see
Where are
them.
the scissors?
Here. This is what happens when two ADHD people do stuff. Okay. So.
Please don't ruin my hair. Please.
I'll try, but you started it.
True.
That's all I can say. Okay. I don't know. Lop of the hair going on the floor. Why did you decide this? Why did you decide to do this?
I was too far gone. I was like, might as well. I was traumatized from the hair dye situation. Well, okay, see, I figured because the bottom of my hair was the most yellow, so I was like, let's just get rid of it. And also because the little highlights at the front that have been bleached a lot more times were totally fried. So again, I was just like, let's just get rid of it. I don't know, I feel like it wants to be like shorter in the back.
Yeah, I think so too.
Because there's like a wiggle situation happening.
Wiggle?
Yeah, where it's like long, short, long, sort of, you know?
Yeah. I was trying to like make it like, you know, like a bob.
That's what I'm trying to achieve, is a bob, but...
You didn't even tell me what you want. You just said like cut.
I mean, I wanted hair that was slightly shorter than it was and doesn't look stupid is the main gist. Whether that's a bob or something else is, you know, just mere technicality. Or maybe I should stop now and leave enough hair for a real hairdresser to fix it. What is happening here? Is this too long?
Yes. The general back is too long.
Is this getting better or worse?
I think it would be better to make the back, it's like shorter to like achieve a bob type situation.
Bob type situation. I was supposed to walk the dogs. Instead, I continued the hair destruction side quest. See, this bit these are like curling up,
Yeah.
which I feel like is preventing them from being cut.
It would be good to have one of those like, you know those thin brushes, the combs?
I have those. We have those.
Okay.
Oh, so itchy. Okay, I'm gonna take the dogs out and then we're gonna continue. Okay, off camera we have done some something point cutting, something blending scissors, something trying to even out the back, something trying to make the under layers shorter than the over layers, whatever, with varying degrees of success, as I'm sure you'll agree. But you know, the front looks pretty good. The back, probably still kind of a mess, but like the kind of still kind of a mess where like if you don't look too long or too hard, you don't see anything wrong, which I said was what we were aiming for. Because at the end of the day, you can only go shorter, not longer, and the shorter you go, the fewer options you have. So I decided I would stop at a point where I would be willing to go slightly shorter, but there's still enough hair left for a hairdresser to fix it if I decide that the results of my home haircut were intolerable. So that is where we've ended up. And I really want to cut this little bit now, but I think I should stop now because I think, you know, does not stop. Look, it looks decent, okay? It doesn't look great. It looks decent. It looks like a home haircut, but if you don't care too much, you're probably not gonna notice. So I think it looks a little like weird because I can't layer it the way it's supposed to be layered. And so like, especially at the back, you can really see how it just looks voluminous in not a nice way. Like it looks a little mushroomy. So, you know, maybe we pay someone who knows what they're doing to fix that. Or maybe not. Last time I said I would go get it fixed and I never did, and I just waited for it to grow and it looked better the more it grew out by itself. Who knows, but that's it for today. I'm gonna go wash all of the hairs off of my everything.